Welcome to Simple Mind Space. Today, we're diving deep into the world of personal finance and exploring the essential elements of financial literacy. This isn't just about dollars and cents. It's about gaining control of your money, building a secure future, and ultimately achieving financial freedom. Now, you might be wondering, why is financial education so crucial? The truth is, it's rarely taught in schools, leaving millions to grapple with their finances. Financial education equips you with the knowledge and skills to make smart decisions about your money. It's like having a roadmap guiding you towards your financial goals, whether it's buying a home, retiring comfortably, or simply gaining peace of mind. Let's be honest, many of us dream of financial freedom. That point where we're not tethered to a job we dislike or constantly stressed about bills. The good news is, financial independence is attainable for anyone willing to put in the effort and learn the ropes. It's about making informed choices today to secure a brighter tomorrow. One of the first steps on this journey is cultivating a healthy money mindset. Think of it as the foundation upon which you'll build your financial house. A positive money mindset empowers you to view money as a tool for growth and opportunity. On the flip side, a negative money mindset can sabotage your efforts, leading to anxiety, fear, and a sense of scarcity. It's like constantly carrying around a heavy weight, holding you back from reaching your full potential. So, how do we shift from a negative to a positive money mindset? It starts with recognizing those limiting beliefs we often develop around money. Perhaps you were raised believing money is the root of all evil, or rich people are just lucky. These beliefs, while common, can be incredibly detrimental, keeping us trapped in a cycle of financial struggle. The key is to challenge these beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. Instead of viewing money as inherently bad, start seeing it as a tool for positive change. Money can be used to create opportunities, support your loved ones, and even make a difference in the world. Once you've started cultivating a positive money mindset, it's time to delve into the nitty-gritty of personal finance. Let's begin with a fundamental concept, the time value of money. In essence, this principle states that money available today is worth more than the same amount in the future due to its earning potential. It's like planting a seed. The sooner you plant it, the more time it has to grow and flourish. This principle applies to both earning and spending money. Earning money earlier in life gives it more time to grow through investments, while delaying debt repayment means paying more in interest over time. To harness the power of the time value of money, consider these strategies. Explore ways to increase your income, whether it's through a side hustle, investing, or negotiating a raise. Next, prioritize paying down high-interest debt as quickly as possible to minimize those interest charges eating away at your hard-earned money. Lastly, make investing a regular habit, even if you start small. Now, let's talk about a cornerstone of personal finance, budgeting. Contrary to popular belief, budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about gaining clarity and control over your money. It's about aligning your spending with your values and financial goals. One effective budgeting method is the 50-30-20 rule. This straightforward approach suggests allocating 50% of your after-tax income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and investments. It's a simple yet powerful framework for managing your money effectively. Once you've established a budget, it's wise to create separate bank accounts for different financial goals. Think of it as compartmentalizing your money to make it work harder for you. Consider having a checking account for daily expenses, a high-yield savings account for your emergency fund, and additional savings accounts for specific goals like a down payment on a home or a dream vacation. Speaking of emergencies, building an emergency fund should be a top priority. This financial safety net provides peace of mind, knowing you can handle unexpected expenses like a medical bill or car repair without derailing your financial progress. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. Now that we've covered the basics of budgeting and saving, let's explore the world of investing. Investing is essentially putting your money to work for you, allowing it to grow over time and potentially outpace inflation. When it comes to investing, diversification is key. Just like you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, you shouldn't put all your investment capital into a single asset or industry. Spread your investments across a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other asset classes to mitigate risk. Another crucial aspect of investing is understanding market cycles. Markets tend to move in cycles, alternating between periods of growth, bull markets, and contraction, bear markets. While it's impossible to predict market movements with certainty, understanding these cycles can help you make more informed investment decisions. Remember, investing is a long game. Don't get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. Stay focused on your long-term goals and consider working with a financial advisor if you need guidance and support. Next, let's demystify the often confusing world of insurance. Insurance plays a vital role in protecting your financial well-being by mitigating the financial impact of unexpected events. There are various types of insurance, each designed to protect you from specific risks. Some of the most common types include health insurance, provides financial protection against the costs of medical expenses. Auto insurance protects you financially in the event of a car accident. Homeowners or renters insurance covers your belongings and provides liability protection for your home. Life insurance provides financial support to your beneficiaries in the event of your death. Understanding the basics of insurance, such as premiums, deductibles, and coverage limits, can help you make informed decisions when selecting policies that meet your needs and budget. Finally, let's tackle the topic of taxes. Taxes are an integral part of any financial plan. Understanding how taxes work, how income taxes are calculated, and potential deductions can help you minimize your tax liability and keep more of your hard-earned money. Some key points to remember about taxes include: taxes fund essential government services such as education, healthcare, and infrastructure. Income taxes are typically withheld from your paycheck throughout the year, with the goal of aligning your tax payments with your income. Tax deductions and credits can reduce your tax liability. Explore potential deductions for expenses like student loan interest, mortgage interest, and charitable donations. Consider working with a tax professional if you have complex tax situations or need help navigating tax laws. Creating a comprehensive financial plan is essential for achieving your financial goals. While it may seem daunting, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Break down your financial journey into manageable steps, and remember that consistency and patience are key. Here's a recap of the 8 steps to building a robust financial plan. Get on a budget. Track your income and expenses to gain clarity and control over your finances. Build an emergency fund. Establish a financial safety net to cover unexpected expenses. Tackle debt. Create a debt repayment plan and prioritize paying down high-interest debt. Set financial goals. Identify your short-term, mid-term, and long-term financial aspirations. Invest for retirement. Start saving and investing early to maximize the benefits of compound interest. Plan for homeownership. Save for a down payment and research mortgage options if homeownership is a goal. Grow wealth outside of retirement. Explore investment opportunities beyond retirement accounts. Seek professional guidance. Consult with a financial advisor or planner for personalized advice and support. Remember, your financial journey is unique. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. The key is to educate yourself, seek guidance when needed, and make consistent efforts toward your financial goals. If you enjoyed this deep dive into personal finance, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Simple Mindspace for more empowering content. We'll continue exploring various aspects of personal finance in future episodes, providing you with the knowledge and tools to take control of your money and build a brighter financial future.